Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from Technary.com. So we have a tech news for you. FiiO brand has launched a new amplifier into the Indian market. This is the FiiO Q3 THX balanced DAC amplifier. Let us have a look at the details of this device. It is a powerful decoder which will unlock your music wherever you go. It is easy to connect to a computer for decoding. The user can use it with a Lightning to Type-C converter for the iOS devices. User can also connect to Android devices and control FiiO Q3 with FiiO Music app. It can also be used with Sony Walkman players using an adapter cable. It is fully compatible with iOS devices and Apple certified. The USB IF USB-C compatibility is also certified. It is THX certified AAA amp for guaranteed low distortion, providing quality bass and excellent sound quality. Comes with THX official USB audio driver which is compliant to USB Audio 1.0 and 2.0 device class specifications. It is high resolution audio certified too. This amplifier is having 4.4mm or 2.5mm balanced and 3.5mm single-ended outputs, which helps you to connect with variety of headphones. Comes with 100 mAh battery, which is able to provide 10 hours of music with USB decoding, which is good for a day of listening. You can connect to more devices using the Type-C connector and also provide support for USB PD and Lightning charging. Inside the box, you will get long USB Type-C data cable, dual USB Type-C head cable, 3.5mm line cable, two short binding straps, two long binding straps, and non-slip mat and a storage bag. Total price of this FiiO Q3 is 14,990. So if you want to purchase it, do check out the link in the description below. It is a great decoder. So this is a very nice amplifier and you can purchase it from the link in the description below. If you have queries, do comment it in the description below. And also don't forget to like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and put the bell notifications on for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.